Come test drive the 2025 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, active grille shutters, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, voice-activated navigation system, driver attention alert system, airbags, driver knee. Come see the car for yourself.